got a switch screw here, a little buggered up, nasty head. So what I do to clean the threads up is you can do this on an emery strap too. But I take the head, sweep it back and forth, trying to keep the slot lined up. I'm gonna take a look at it, and that looks like all the damage is gone. Then I take it over to a wire wheel. Perimeter. Maybe that way, maybe that way. Alright, for a switch that's more than enough, but I'm going to do one showing on the outside of the fan. Put it on the polishing wheel. Burning hot, but looks good. See, clean slot too. Wipe it off on the shirt. Shinier than a new penny. And I can do these in about 20 or 30 seconds a piece if I'm not trying to film. So I hope that helps a little bit.